They're like, yeah, we're gonna spend 10 grand a night on fireworks, but employees good benefits. Forget that.
Shrek's Donkey goes on a rant for the ages while ripping into Disney World. We bid adieu to Stacy's must-do Disney, and Disneyland Paris has officially killed off Fastpass. We'll tell you how much you're gonna have to burn to skip to the front of the line next on Inside 300.
Donkey's back at it again. Welcome into Inside 300, episode 23, presented by InsideTheMagic.com. I'm your host, Brian Perry, and as always, thanks so much for joining me. As you know, we only have 300 seconds to go around the worlds of Disney and Universal, so without further delay, let's kick things off by heading over to the swamp. When I say the swamp, I don't mean Gainesville and the Florida Gators, but instead, Shrek Swamp, and specifically, Universal Studios, Florida.
The Shrek meet and greet at Universal gives fans the opportunity to meet their favorite ogre, occasionally his wonderful wife Fiona, and their lovable pet sidekick, pal, thing, Donkey. It ranks as one of my top meet and greet locations in the theme park, but fans the other day were certainly blown away by Donkey's impassioned rant regarding rival Disney's handling of cast members at the Magic Kingdom. The 90-second video captured by Dancing to Jazz on TikTok includes Donkey ripping into Universal's competitor for their money-based decision-making. Take a listen to some of his best bits.
Magic Kingdom!
Wait, you still work there? I mean, I'm just surprised anybody still works there. I'm like, they laid everybody off during quarantine. They were like, what? Employees? We don't have any of those. Bye. Universal's like, no, we got you. Disney was like, we don't care. Get out. Sorry, you're taking up payroll.
We got our masks
our
on.
stockholders are way more important to us than you guys. Get out of here.
We got our fireworks, though. We got our fireworks.
Oh, yeah, that's so great. Oh, man. They're like, yeah, we're going to spend 10 grand a night on fireworks, but employees good benefits. Forget that. No, that's fine. And I can't believe you went back to them like a crazy ex. They're like, yeah, no, they cut everybody off and left us to, fend for ourselves. But you know what? I'll go back to them. They were nice.
I don't know about you guys, but that rant seems kind of personal. It's almost as if Donkey has a grudge against a former employer, perhaps, but I'm just guessing here. Legend has it, a ton of the original Shrek movie was created in an effort to rag on different portions of Disney, so it's only fitting that now one of Shrek's original characters is bringing that aspect of the story into the real world. The end could be near for Fastpass and Fastpass Plus service within Disney parks here in the United States. Disneyland Paris became the first resort to replace the free Fastpass service with a new Disney Premier Access offering. Yikes. Disney Premier Access is giving guests the option to purchase their way to the front of the line by essentially paying, get this, $9 to $17 US per person for each ride. At launch, the resort will include the top thrill and family rides at both Disneyland Paris and the Walt Disney Studios Park. The old-school complimentary Fastpass service was truly a revolutionary concept that many of us took for granted.
An old school. Did I do it right? No, I'm a noob. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay. Thank you.
Now, $17 per person at peak time means a family of four could end up spending nearly $70 to skip one line. One line.
You gotta be kidding me.
Are you kidding me?
I mean, are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, I get the idea that you know how I feel about this, but be sure to let us know if you could see yourself paying a small fortune to skip the line to your favorite ride. All right, quick. When I say diamond, what do you think? I'll give you a second. Is it something shimmering in a mine, or is it the now 80-year-old musical artist who sings Sweet Caroline? There's no wrong answer, really. I mentioned this a few weeks back, but the world is divided into two types of people, those who hate getting stuck on Disney rides and those who love it. It's hard to say where the guest who got stuck on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train a few days ago fell before this incident occurred, but they for sure got an experience that they won't soon forget, thanks to all the diamonds aligning. Here's how it went down when after 20 minutes of not moving, everyone broke out into Sweet Caroline by Neil Diamond in an effort to pass the time.
Touching you. Sweet Caroline. Ba ba ba. So good, so good, so good.
The video comes via Ironicism on TikTok, and wow, that was so good, so good, so good. Neil Diamond shining amongst the dwarves and artificial diamonds in the Magic Kingdom. Kind of poetic. All right, we got some just straight up terrible news for that very particular audience of Disney World fanatics that eat, breathe, and sleep must do Disney, and have for the last 15 years, myself included. The resort TV show that featured host Stacy leading us through Disney World's top shows and attractions has officially come off the air. Stacy first appeared on behalf of the resort in 2005. Families staying on property were greeted by Stacy's fun-loving personality, and the host took to social media to thank everyone for their support over the years, highlighted by her last line that read, "The memories we've shared will last a lifetime."
And just like that, we're done with episode 23 of Inside 300. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon. This way you're notified every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday morning when we come to you with brand new episodes. Special shout out Stacy and Must Do Disney. In reality, that program was truly a Disney must do. I'm Brian Perry, and as always,
Bye-bye.